Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with the ignition on and the MMI screen active. This powers the car's Bluetooth stack. Next, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and make it discoverable so the MMI can find it. You should also verify the phone and Audi MMI are running recent updates. Outdated software often blocks pairing. Once done, sit with the phone and MMI in view, because the next steps require you to switch menus on the MMI and accept prompts on your phone immediately. You navigate the MMI, press telephone, then Bluetooth settings, and choose search for new devices so the Q7 broadcasts. When the phone detects Audi MMI or similar, tap it. A 6-digit code appears on both displays. Confirm the number on your phone and via the MMI confirmation button. This verifies the secure link. Once paired, the MMI may ask which profiles to allow. Make sure you enable phonebook and audio to use calls and media. This dual approval step is why both devices need attention. You now set the phone as the primary device in MMI so calls and media route automatically. Go to Paired Devices and select Priority. If pairing fails, first reboot your phone and the MMI, clearing temporary Bluetooth glitches. Make sure to remove any old Audi MMI entries on the phone and in the car before retrying. Leftover profiles often block new pairs. If problems persist, reset the MMI network settings and repeat the pairing steps. This clears conflicts while preserving vehicle settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.